guess what this is. It's my fuel pump. That's right. Y'all don't tell me JDM parts very easy to find one. Bull crap. I've asked I don't know how many people, everyone tell me no stock, not fine. So here we are. This unboxing shit right here. Cause it's my fuel pump! I want to shout out to Jerome that stays in JB and works in Singapore, that went all the way to Singapore to find me my part. It's also cheaper. Really lor, Singapore even though times 3 is cheaper, can you imagine? You don't believe? It's like what? 300 bucks? Ah, so good. The one they quoted me here was 2.4k. Yep, not kidding you. And this is an original Mazda part. Wow! There you go. And I'm so happy because I finally can take it to the mechanic, get the fuel pump fixed. And I'm excited. Let's start her up. Oh, damn hot. Let's see how she sounds. I've been starting her up. There was one point of time where I didn't start her up for a while, and she went yeah. So even if your car is stationary, please start her up, start your baby up, and let her just warm up. Take her out for a spin every now and then. But yeah, taking her out right now. Let me just air her. Woo! So happy. Finally. Oh man. Oh man. You have no idea how long it's been, how long I've missed my Miata. It's crazy. So happy finally that I got the part and that I can finally go get it fixed. Finally got the time to even drive my car there. Really nothing like it. And I'm going to another mechanic because still haven't found one that I'm very comfortable with, so I'm trying this new guy out. Heard good things about him. Hopefully his labor charge isn't crazy expensive as well, as long as you treat my baby right and your quality of work is good. I don't mind paying, but of course give me reasonable pricing lah, okay? Don't cheat me. So yeah, let's try him out. Alright, so I'm finally sending her in and I hope they take good care of her. I told him over and over again how much this is so precious to me. I hope they fix her well. So they're going to change the fuel pump right now, and the fuel pump is located behind the seat here. Let me see, it's located behind the seat here, so I have to take my chair out and then access it at the back. Apparently, according to this mechanic, it's fogged up, like it's so black. I'll just show you because I also don't know lah actually. So yeah, I hope she's good and yeah, see how things go. Bye baby, please take care. Please take care, okay? I love you. I'll see you soon. I go for more jobs, okay? Drop the... Oh, after this I gotta fix her roof. Ta-da! It's done! Okay, so let me walk you through what I just did. And it's finally in driving condition! Okay, so change fuel pump already. Again, shout out to Jerome, my follower on Instagram. Thank you so much! Okay, he went through the trouble of getting my fuel pump for me. So he said in JB when I was in Singapore, got my fuel pump for me and just brought it to me. Like super appreciative. Thank you so much, Jerome. And yeah, so this is my old fuel pump and I'll put a picture of my filter as well. Apparently what my previous mechanic sent to me and what it looks like now is totally different, so I have to check with him on why there's a color difference. And yeah, my previous spark plugs wasn't the best, so I actually changed it to these ones, which a lot of Miata guys actually recommended, but I couldn't find it, so my previous mechanic just said, oh, why not just use the other one lah. But now I finally have the correct ones, and yeah, I'm so excited because I can finally drive her. I'm so happy, baby. And now I have to just fix the roof, so yeah, that's another part. But yeah, woohoo! Okay, let's go for a spin. Yeah, I finally got my bag. Oh my god, so happy. So yeah, I just took my car in because when I was reversing and when I brake, the pads and the brakes had noise, like a very low bassy So yeah, I just took it in. My Mac helped me clean it, basically took the brake pads out, gosok a bit, and scrubbed it a bit, and yeah, it's better now. So see how it goes. But apparently I need to change my brake pads and rotor. So yeah, time to sauce parts again.